Is this my house? Robbie, is this your house? You sure?
I actually think it is. Like, this is mine.
Yeah? Where's your Ferrari, man?
Oh, it's that there? So, like...
Oh, but you like your books more than you like your...
Because you know what I'd rather have?
Yes.
Knowledge.
Wow.
No. Okay. Just it? Just go test. 1, 2, 3.
That's all part of it. Okay.
He makes me doubt myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm here with my friend Robbie. We're in the wonderful state of I don't want you to know where I live. And we're gonna open a alt replicant butterfly knife from the lovely insert Balisong company name here. Blade Runner Systems. Thank you, Robbie.
Alright, let's see, man. I think I've seen a butterfly knife once in my life. There's like this kid in elementary school. I'm pretty sure like
He got suspended the next day.
Yeah, and like cut his hands open or something. And the stitches, the whole thing.
Sick.
The whole thing.
Thick.
I think this might like give away where we are. Just like
It's okay, we're just gonna censor you.
oh.
We're also gonna censor that part out. So I bought this knife off Instagram, secondhand, from a guy. That's where I buy most of my knives, and that's where most of the company, or most of the Balisong community will get their knives from. Either that or brand new online. So here's the knife, guys. This is the Blade Runner Systems. This is the alt replicant. It's in G10. This is this is actually the premium version of the standard replicant. So it has, I don't know if you can see it from there, I'll show a close-up later, but it has blue anodization on the titanium spacers right in there. You can probably see it there. And then it also, which I'll show in depth again later, crowned spine for doing the tricks a little better. As far as Balisongs go, this is definitely top of the line for flippers. This is what everyone wants in a butterfly knife. And I'm super hyped to finally get it again, and now I can continue doing those tutorials for big flips until that ends, and I can start posting real quality content on my own YouTube channel. So let's get going. Robbie, what do you think about this wonderful butterfly knife?
Well, it looks like pretty dang sexy.
Yeah.
Like, gonna be totally honest.
Yeah, like capital SEXI.
Yeah, VI. Like, you can't even, it's like thick with 3 C's and silent QUE for like even better.
Oh, wow. Take the speed of light, divide it by 1/3. It's 3 C's for you.
No idea.
Speed of light is C.
Oh,
So if you divide the speed of light by 1/3,
I think I remember.
3 C's, 3 times. Anyways, we'll be right back after this short commercial. Good minimal amount of play. Action's really smooth. What you want when you're looking for a Balisong, you want the action. So when you're holding it open, you're holding the knife open like that. You want it so when you're holding one handle, that handle swings very freely. You do it with both handles. And that, so you know it's tuned properly in that way. And then also, you want the smallest amount of play in the handle, that spacing right there, to make the tricks crisper and to make everything more smooth as you're doing stuff.